know Trent the car guy.
So in this video, we're headed up to Aztec Peak, just north of Roosevelt Lake in Arizona. And as you may have guessed, joining me will be my friend Rick Hutton. If you guys haven't seen Rick's channel, you gotta check it out. You can follow the link above right here. This is gonna take you to Rick's YouTube channel. Lots of good content. Enjoy the video.
All right, we have an interesting development. We are searching for Trent's drone now. We heard a and then poof, hitting the ground. So we're gonna search for it.
It was right here. But
how do we get down there?
well, that's why I'm looking at the fence right there.
Do you think it was over the fence or?
Yeah, it was over it.
We might be able to sneak down here. There it is. It looks like it's pretty healthy. We just got to get over this barbed wire.
There's fencing. We'll never get it now.
Yeah, exactly.
Considering how large of an area this could have crashed in, I was pretty lucky that it crashed as close as it did.
Soft dirt.
Yeah, dude. I mean, this got smashed a little bit there. I'm pretty sure it'll be salvageable.
Looks fine. The camera's good.
A little bit of a burn mark down inside here.
Interesting.
So that might have.
Do you think it hit the power line, dude? I wonder if
No, it was 400 feet.
Yeah, and it would have been trashed.
I literally was just about to come back and to set the landing up, and it just like went. I hit down, and it like stuck going down, and then lost my signal, and just
boom. Wow.
Nothing I could do.
Let's go.
We made a brief pit stop to check out this canyon area that looks out over Roosevelt Lake, about 20 miles away from when we get off the Globe Young Highway. One of the really interesting things about Aztec Peak is that the campsite was built up like Flintstone's home. There were chairs, a sofa, picnic table, and the fire pit, and it was all built with large rocks that made for a really unique camping experience. I gave Rick an introduction to the virtual reality headset while I was repairing the drone from the crash the previous day. This gives you a little bit of an idea of what goes into some of the shots that we get putting these videos together. I go about 4 or 5 seconds out. Gonna go grab the 360 camera I have up here. If you like this video, you probably know somebody else who'd like it as well. So please share this on social media, share it with a friend. You can find me, tag me, Trent the Car Guy. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.